the computer exams. So today I am going to discuss about how to compare regular expressions. Okay, so please quickly join and mark your presence. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you. Is my voice is clear? So you can just confirm me once. I once again welcome you all to my session. So that is on comparison of regular expressions. It is a theory of computation. It is started for summer crash, and already I have taken 3 classes, and this is the 4th class. Okay, so join quickly and mark your presence. I hope I am audible and visible to every one of you. Am I audible? Just confirm me once. You can just mention, say hi or hello. Okay, that's great. Okay, now let me start the session. Hi, hello, HD Core. Yes, good evening. Okay, fine. So, this is before I start the session, I wanted to give you some brief introduction about myself. So, this is about my brief profile. You can just have a look. Myself, Murali Krishna Bukasandram. I am having 21 plus years of teaching experience, both in the GATE and also I worked in different engineering colleges. So, just have a look. Yeah. Yes, you can just say hi or hello. And these are some of my credentials. You can just see this. These are my area of expertise. And I taught more than 50,000 students across the country in different core areas of computer science and engineering. Those are theory of computation, operating systems, computer organization, computer networks, digital logic, and ICT, information and communication technology. Okay. And I taught theory of computation many times, and I am topper in NPTEL course of theory of computation conducted by IIT Kharagpur, and I am certified as international engineering educator through ISRO certification program. Okay, so now let's move on to the next. And there is a Gate Rankers Monsoon series. It's a free course. It's the most important topic like electrical, electronics, and computer science. We'll be taking the classes from 10th July this month. 10th we will be starting, and for that you have to subscribe the YouTube channel. So I hope every one of you have subscribed it. If not done it, please do it so immediately. Okay, and you will get notifications related to classes. You can just press the bell button, and please do like this session, and also kindly share with your friends so that they can directly join with the link. Okay, yes, I hope my audio video everything is clear. So I will be starting the session. Electrical, yeah. And one more thing, there is a workshop tomorrow, that is at 12 noon. So that is on Sunday. It's a free live interactive workshop, and the topic for this is, are 7 months enough to get all India rank under 100 in the GATE exam? Okay, so this will be taken by Dheeraj Sardana sir and Abhinav Negi sir together, and please register for this workshop. Okay, now shall I start the session? So I think every one of you have attended all my previous sessions. If not, all are available in the YouTube. You can just go through. You can search by your name and also topic name, a theory of computation summer crash. You will get it. Okay. Now let me start the session. So basically, for one language, we may have multiple regular expressions. Okay, this is the hierarchy of languages. Just for your information, I have shown you. And for one language, a regular language, we may have multiple regular expressions. Okay, I will tell you. For instance, let us suppose we are having an expression like a of b a whole star. So a of b a whole star, and we are getting either single a followed by a zero instance, a followed by ba possible, a followed by ba. Like this, we can have multiple strings, infinite strings. And we can also have a regular expression like ab whole star a, ab whole star a. This is also giving the combinations like this, a, aba, aba, and so on. Let it be, for example, regular expression R, and let it be regular expression S. And the languages are same, so that both the regular expressions are same. So we can say that language of regular expression R is the same as language of regular expression S. And please remember, for regular languages only, regular expression is possible. For a non-regular language, regular expression is not possible. Okay, if language of regular expression R, if same as language of regular expression S, then we can say that both the regular expressions are similar. And we may have more than two expressions also for a same language. Okay, minimum one expression for every regular language. Now, regular expression, it's a language can be expressed by means of multiple regular expression in a simplified format. Okay, and now I wanted to give you some examples regarding so how we can compare the expressions. Okay, and meanwhile, if you get any doubt or any concern, and don't hesitate to ask me. So I will be here to clarify your doubts. I request everybody to please don't hesitate to ask your doubts here in the chat while the live class is going on, and also after the live class, and I will be available in the comment box. You can just do comment on this. Okay. Now let me start the session and the question session. First question: the regular expression 0 star 1 0 star whole star denotes the same set as option A 1 star 0 whole star 1 star and 0 plus 1 0 whole star, and also 0 plus 1 whole star 1 0 0 plus 1 whole star, none of this. Okay, so now what type of strings are possible? So we can, let us suppose if you consider 0 star of 1 0 star whole star, it can give any string of zeros and ones. Like for example, if you take epsilon, it is possible. 0 instance of 0 and 0 instance of 1 0 star, epsilon is possible. Single 0 possible, you can take 1 instance and 0 instance of this. Single 1 possible, in 1 0 star I can take 1, and 0 0 possible from 0 star, 0 1 possible, this 0 and 1, okay, and 1 0 possible directly from this, okay, and 1 1 also possible because 1 0 star can be taken twice. If you take 1 0 star twice, and this one we can take by taking 0 star as epsilon. Okay, so like that we can take the strings, and 1 1 is also possible. So now coming to like this, if it goes like 0 0 0 possible, so any string of zeros and ones possible. So this is same as 0 plus 1 whole star because every string of zeros and ones are possible. Not only this, multiple. Let us see whether this is possible or not. For instance, if I am taking 1 star 0 whole star followed by 1 star. Okay, here also epsilon possible and single 0 possible, single 1 possible from this. Okay, and is 0 0 possible? Yes, because 1 star 0 twice we can take. And 0 1 possible? Yes, 0 1. And 1 0 possible? Yes, this one. And 1 1 possible? Yes, from this. And 0 0 0, 3 times I can take 1 star 0, so that 0 0 0 possible. 0 0 1. So how it is possible? I can take this 2 times and 1 star I can take 1 time. And 0 1 0, 0 1 0, how it is possible? So we can do one thing. 1 star 0, 1 star 0, 2 times if I take. So 1 star I can take is epsilon, and see this 1 star I can take single 1. So 0 1 0 possible. So these are the strings. So any string present here, here also present, all combinations of zeros and ones. So option A is right. And why option B is wrong? Because there is no single one here. 1 0 possible, but single one not possible. Here minimum string is 1 0. So 0 is missing, 1 is missing. Okay, 0 0 is missing, so that it is also not correct. So option A is the right option. All combinations of zeros and ones, and we can get like 0 plus 1 whole star. This can also be written as like 0 plus 1 whole star. Hope everybody understood all those things. Okay, and if you have any doubt or any concern, please kindly let me know. Okay. Yes, please speak out. Sir, how B is not possible? B is not possible because single one is not possible in B, but single one is possible in the given expression. Resting. Is it clear? Please confirm me once. I told single one, actually 1 0 is possible, but single one, only single one not possible. Okay, and 1 1 also. So this type of strings which are possible in the given expression, here it is not possible. That's the reason it is not equivalent. Clear? Okay, okay. Hi Abhijit Singh. Option C is not possible because minimum string is 1 0. So that means single 0 missing, single 1 missing, 0 0 missing. That's the reason. Abhijit Singh. Hope you understood, right? And please forward this class link with as many friends as you have, so that they also can watch this free class. Okay, shall I go ahead with the next slide? I brought some questions, and the next question. Okay, consider the following regular expressions. Consider the following regular expressions. R1 is equal to 0 star 1 followed by 1 plus 0 0 star 1 whole star. R2 is equal to 0 star 1 star 1 1 1 star 0 star 1, and R3 is 0 plus 1 star whole star 1. The regular expressions dash denotes the same set. Option A, R1 and R2, R1 and R3, R2 and R3, R1, R2 and R3. What are denoting the same set? Okay, I will conduct, I think I will wait for your response for some time, and you can tell me the answer. So what is R3? R3 is written as 0 plus 1 star whole star followed by 1. 0 plus 1 star whole star followed by 1 is 1 and same as 0 plus 1 whole star 1. It is all combinations of zeros and ones ending with 1 is R3. All combination of zeros and ones ending with 1. Like we can have a single one here. Okay, 0 1 possible, 1 1 possible, 0 0 1 possible, 0 1 1 possible, 1 0 1 possible, 1 1 1 possible. So this type of strings, all combination of zeros and ones ending with. Okay, but here R2 is not equivalent to R3 because, for example, here we can get a string like 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 kind of strings. So before 1 we can have any number of 1 zeros. But here 0 star 1 star 1 1 1 star 0 star 1 only contiguous ones zeros or contiguous one zeros. There is no alternative like 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, and 1 0 1 0 1. This type of strings are missing. That's why R2 cannot be equivalent to R3. But R1 is possible. We can simplify the R1 as follows. So it is like this: 0 star 1, 0 star 1 followed by. In these two, we can take 1 as common. So we can take epsilon plus 0 0 star, epsilon plus 0 0 star 1 and whole star. Okay, epsilon plus 0 0 star means 0 star. So this can be written as 0 star 1 followed by 0 star 1 whole star. So this is nothing but 0 star 1 whole plus. 0 star 1 whole plus is nothing but all combinations of zeros and ones ending with 1. So R1 and R3, one and all same. But in R2, we don't get all strings ending with 1. For example, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is ending with 1, but this type of strings not present here. Okay, now hope everybody understood. Hi Aarti, Seeman, good evening. Nagalakshmi, yes, option B is correct. Okay, na? So shall I go for the next? And please do share the class information with your friends. And I hope I'm very much audible to every one of you. And shall I go ahead with the next question? Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is like this. Which of the two following 4 regular expressions are equivalent? Which two of the following 4 regular expressions are equivalent? Epsilon is an empty string, means null string. So options I will give you. You can tell me the options. 1 is equal to 3. 1 is equal to 3, and option B. And 1 is equal to 4. 1 is equal to 4. And option C. 2 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3. And option D. 3 is equal to 4. So these are the options given. Now what is that we have to find out? Out of these 4 regular expressions, 2 regular expressions are similar. What are those? Here epsilon is an empty string. Epsilon is an empty string. So now you can tell me. For instance, if I am taking 0 0 whole star, 0 0 whole star, epsilon plus 0. So what does it mean? It can be written like this. So it is 0 0 whole star followed by epsilon, or 0 0 whole star followed by 0. 0 0 whole star followed by epsilon is nothing but 0 0 whole star only, or 0 0 whole star 0. So this is nothing but union of even zeros and odd zeros. Okay, because this 0 0 whole star will provide only even number of zeros, something like epsilon 0 0 0 0 0 0 like this. And odd number of zeros, 0 0 whole star followed by 0 will give you single zero, triple zero, five zeros like this. Okay, so when you take the union, you will get all zeros. So that is nothing but this is equivalent to 0 star, all zeros. So option A is the right option, because in 0 star, epsilon, single zero, double zero, both even zeros and odd zeros are possible. Okay, but if you take second one and fourth one, second one is only even zeros, fourth one only odd zeros. So there are disjoint. So remaining all equations are not correct. Okay, now let's move on to the question number 4. Are you following or not? And if you are really actually involved in this subject, you can easily answer this question. So I request everybody to please do answer this question. Consider the regular expression R is equal to A plus B whole star AA or BB followed by A plus B whole star. Okay, which one of the following regular expressions given below defines the same language as defined by the regular expression R? Yeah, it is very simple. A plus B whole star AA or BB followed by A plus B whole star. Okay, which one is representing the same set as this? Minimum string is AABB. So what is the correct expression? So AABB substring actually. So it is something like this. So A plus B whole star is present here. Okay, and this is A plus B whole plus, and A of BA whole star followed by AR BB, or B of AB whole star followed by BR AA, and followed by A plus B whole star. So that means, and we can do one thing before you are taking this. Okay, either this followed by this or this followed by this we can consider. Am I correct? So if you consider this followed by this, so this is nothing but A of B a whole star A followed by A plus B whole star. So AA we will get. Okay, and if you take this A of B a whole star BB followed by this also you will get. So let us suppose only B if you want. This is also possible. So all combinations are covered here. Option C is the right option. And option B will not be correct because single A possible here. A followed by A plus B whole star, single A possible in the option B. Okay, so this is the right answer. Option C is the right option. Now coming to the next question. Question number 5. Consider the regular expression R1 is equal to 0 1 1 0 plus 0 1 followed by 1 0 whole star, and R2 is 0 1 followed by 1 0 whole star. Check if R1 and R2 denote the same language. Whether they are equivalent or not, we have to verify. Okay, so how can we verify this? Can anybody tell me? For example, if I take R1, so language of R1. Language of R1 means strings associated with this. Language of R1, we can take minimum string 0 1 is possible, either 0 1 followed by 1 0 whole star, and also 0 1 1 0 possible, 0 1 1 0 followed by epsilon, or 0 1 1 0 possible. And we can take 0 1 followed by 1 0 1 0, or 0 1 0 1 followed by 1 0 1 0. So this type of strings possible. In language of R2, minimum string is 0 1. Okay. Next, if you take one instance, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0 1 0, and 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 can be taken 3 times also. 01 followed by 101010, 01 followed by 010. This type of string is not possible. 01, see here 01 01 followed by, just a moment, whether this thing is possible or not, you can verify. 01 followed by 01, two times it's not possible. There is whole star is not there. No? So this type of strings in the L of R1 it is not possible actually. It is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because 01 followed by 1 zeros, 0110 also, for example 0110 followed by 10 we can take any number of times. 011010. Yeah, this is both are equivalent. So language of R1 is the same as language of R2. Whatever the strings present in the R1 we are getting here. Now coming to this question number 6. Are you following? Consider the regular expression R1 is equal to 0 plus 1 whole star 0 1 followed by 0 plus 1 whole star or 1 star 0 star. Okay, and R2 is equal to 0 plus 1 whole star. Check if R1 and R2 denote the same language. Very good question. So you can verify what is L of R1 and you can verify what is L of R2. Then only you can say whether both are equivalent or not. So R1, so R1 is nothing but L of R1 is equal to 0 plus 1 whole star 0 plus 1 whole star 0 1 followed by 0 plus 1 whole star plus 1 star 0 star. So the meaning of this, it's very clearly understandable. It is as far as this part is concerned. As far as this part is concerned, this is all combination of zeros and ones containing 0 1 as a substring. And this part is all combinations of zeros and ones do not containing 0 1 as a substring. So one is containing 0 1 as substring, other one is not containing 0 1 as substring. But when you take the union of these two, it will become sigma star, because if any language defined over alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1, if any language is defined over alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1, any formal language is a subset of sigma star. Am I correct? Now complement of this language L bar is equal to sigma star minus L, and a language L and union L bar is nothing but sigma star only. Okay, that's why language of R1 in other form we can take any combination of zeros and ones, because any language and its complemented language, if you take union, it leads to sigma star. And a language of R2 also same, it is also 0 plus 1 whole star. So what did you understand from this? Both are same. So R1 is equal to R2. So two regular expression or two or more regular expressions are equivalent if all of them are generating the same language. Hope everybody understood. Okay, now if you don't understand, please let me know, and you can also just let me know what is your thought on this. And this problem I am giving you as a homework, and please use the comment box for answering this question. Consider the regular expression B star A star. I'll just write it once again just for your reference, and I'll also give you hint. Intersection A star B star. B star A star intersection A star B star is equal to A star union B star is a very good question. A star union B star. Whether it is true or not. Check if this equation holds true. So whether it is true or false, you can check. B star A star intersection A star B star. So that means we have to highlight the common strings here. Okay. So please check it, and whether they are equivalent or not, please let me know. Union means plus only. This the right part can also be written as A star plus B star, and left part only common strings present in this part B star A star and A star B star you have to consider. Okay now, and please comment in our comment box whether it is true or false. Yes, Mohan Sai Narala. Good evening, all of you, and yes, you are right. And I hope every one of you have enjoyed the session. And please do like the session and don't forget to share with your friends. And if anybody is not yet subscribed the channel of YouTube for BYJU'S Exam Prep Gate, please do it so immediately. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope it has been very useful session for you. And we will meet again on Monday with some new topic at the same time. Thank you so much. Thank you, one and all. You can continue watching my classes till 8th June. The series will be continued. Then afterwards, I will begin the new series. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, one and all. Have a good night. See you all. Bye bye. Thank you.